Pradeep Bhandari is joining us live from Mumbai. Quickly going across to him. So Pradeep, second round of questioning, and it seems that a watertight case will be built against Rhea Chakrabarti, and there have been several inconsistencies that have been found in the statements that have been given by others in the case, and that is being corroborated of what all Rhea has said till now.
Well, absolutely. I'm standing right in front of the DRDO CBI DRDO guest house. This is the exact place where Rhea Chakrabarti and Shobhik Chakrabarti have been grilled. This is the second day when Rhea Chakrabarti and Shobhik Chakrabarti have been grilled in presence of Siddharth Pithani, Keshav, Neeraj. So the prime suspects who were present at the crime scene have been grilled along with Rhea Chakrabarti and Shobhik Chakrabarti. Let me tell you, yesterday when I tried to interrogate and speak to Rhea Chakrabarti and Shobhik Chakrabarti, they did not answer our questions, and in fact they got the private Mumbai police, which is now acting, the Santa Cruz police station, which is acting as their personal police station, to escort them and guide them. Now at this moment, this is a very critical juncture of the investigation, because if there are contradictions which are found between Rhea, Shobhik, Samuel, Neeraj, Siddharth and others, which is an enough ground from a prima facie case in this regard. Now what is the prima facie case? The prima facie case has three pillars. The number one pillar is the drug angle, which the Narcotics Control Bureau has assured and has said that they will summon Rhea Chakrabarti. In fact, they have taken the cognizance of Rhea Chakrabarti's PR interview and have said that that was an intent. The intent of that interview was to divert the attention. Number two is the financial angle. The ED is ensuring that the financial investigation continues to move forward. That is why Gaurav Arya has also been summoned. This is extremely important because Gaurav Arya is the link for the drug racket and also might have link to the financial. The third is recreation of crime scene. Now recreation of crime scene is extremely crucial. That is where Siddharth Pithani comes into the picture, because Siddharth Pithani has said and has agreed to be an approver in this case. Now if that happens, which means that Siddharth Pithani will tell you the truth. The Siddharth Pithani is the individual who said on the Republic Media camera that some outsiders had entered at Sushant's residence on 13th of June, and Siddharth Pithani will give you the lead of who are the people who destroyed the data and the files on 8th of June, which is an extremely two important pillars. So these are the important things. If Rhea Chakrabarti does not continue to cooperate, which we know from our sources she is not, there is a likelihood of arrest. So today and tomorrow will decide the course of this investigation, and that is what we can gather. And at this moment, Samuel Miranda, we can tell you there's a car. This is a normal car which is heading to. So there is a car which tried to enter. We got excited thinking that it is a car which tried to enter. It was not a car which was entering the CBI. So essence of it is that the contradictions in Rhea's testimony and Rhea's statement to CBI at this moment, and its contradiction vis-a-vis the prime suspects, will decide the future course of arrest of Rhea Chakrabarti, because nation is demanding that the prime accused be arrested so that the evidence is not tampered with. Back to you.
Well, Pradeep, another question, because something when it comes to the Mumbai police's presence that is being questioned, and now you are right there at the CBI guest house. Are the police still waiting outside till the time the interrogation of Rhea ends today? Do you see them around you?
Please understand, it's a special police force of Rhea Chakrabarti, of Rhea, by Rhea, for Rhea, and it's a Rhea's government. So in that scenario, this police force only enters when Rhea Chakrabarti passes a message to them to come. So yesterday when Rhea was leaving, you had three Mumbai police officials, one here, the other one here, and the third one here guarding the gate. Then you had one Mumbai police official standing right here guarding the gate, and then you had three Mumbai police officials right here. So I thought a VVVIP has come. Now I have not seen such treatment for a prime accused. That treatment was given to Rhea and Shobhik. The Mumbai police ensured that the entire traffic is cleared for Rhea. The Mumbai police also gave a special car to escort Rhea Chakrabarti from Santa Cruz police station to her house. Now, Amita, the question is, are people of Maharashtra different and Rhea Chakrabarti special? Are the other accused different and Rhea Chakrabarti special? Why is Rhea Chakrabarti acting as a guest of the police is something which baffles me, and I continue to repeatedly ask that question. Will any prime accused who's named in an FIR get such treatment? And if it is getting, is this not indicating at collaboration and connivance between some of the officials of Mumbai police and Rhea Chakrabarti?
All right, Pradeep, thanks very much for that live update. As Pradeep is reporting right outside the DRDO guest house, where it's been little over an hour now ever since Rhea and Shobhik entered the guest house for questioning. It is Ria's day 2 of the questioning, and we'll see how long it lasts for the day. Pradeep, thank you very much.